These are the elevators at McCarran Airport. It's gonna be this one.
Going up.
I got the door. Innovation bruiser fixtures. I like those too. Let's get a look in the full glass back cab.
Sixth floor. Going down. Going up.
I'm gonna send this to 6. That elevator over there was jerky. And that bump and jerk reminds me of the elevator at my school. Jim Lee has filmed these elevators here before with Skyvader. Let's ride this one.
Going up.
Diesel Doocy, what do you think about this elevator?
Second floor.
Stop it. Are you guys going up? This is going up.
Yeah, let's go up.
Level 3?
Yes, thanks.
Let's watch out the window.
Don't forget the Lamborghini down there. There's a Lamborghini.
There's no interest in that, just the elevators. It's all about the elevators. Have a great day, guys.
Going up.
These things are fast.
Sixth floor. Going down.
Let's go to 2. I want to capture the elevators back there. Diesel Doocy in California elevators. What do you think about this elevator?
Second floor.